Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to talk about an amazing man known for his fried chicken, Colonel Harland Sanders. His story is all about not giving up, being strong and working hard. Harland Sanders was born on September 9, 1890 in Henryville, Indiana. His life was tough from the start. He was just 6 years old. His father died. As the oldest child, he had to help take care of his younger brothers while his mom worked long hours. By this time, he was 10. He got his first job on a farm feeding animals, but he was too young to keep up and he lost that job. When he was 12, his mom remarried and his stepfather didn't want him around. This made life at home very hard and he had to live with relatives. At 13, Harlan started working many jobs to help support family and his siblings. He would wake up at 6 a.m. to feed animals, go to school and then work in the evenings. Unfortunately, he struggled in school and got removed from school, especially because he had a hard time with maths. By 16, he wanted to join the US Army, so he lied about his age to enlist. After a year, they found out his real age and discharged him. After leaving the army, Harland had many different jobs like being a streetcar conductor and an insurance salesman. His life was unstable and at one point his wife left him because he wasn't successful. In 1930, he got a chance to manage a gas station. At first, sales were low, but he worked hard to provide great service and soon the gas station was doing well. Harland's story shows us that life isn't always easy. There will be challenges and failures, but how you respond to them is what matters. Just when things were looking better, the Great Depression hit and his gas station sales dropped. Once again, he found himself with a job, but Harland did not give up. He started cooking for travelers at his gas station and his fried chicken became very popular. In 1936, he opened a small restaurant and by 1940, he had perfected his secret chicken recipe using a pressure cooker which made cooking faster. His restaurant became a favorite in the area. However, World War II brought new problems. Business slowed down as people stopped eating out. In 1942, at 52 years old, he had to close his restaurant, but after the war, he was determined to try again. He opened a new restaurant in 1945, and by 1949, he was honored with the title of Colonel by the governor of Kentucky. In 1964, at 65 years old, Harland decided to share his chicken recipe with others. He traveled around the country cooking for the restaurant owners. If they liked it, they would buy the right to serve this chicken. In just 8 years, he had over 600 franchises. As he got older, he realized that he could not manage everything. In 1964, he sold KFC for $16 billion today, but he stayed the face of the brand, appearing in commercials and keeping his connection to KFC. After selling KFC, the new owners changed the recipe, which upset Colonel Sanders. He believed his original recipe should stay the same. This led to a legal battle, and he opened a restaurant called Colonel Sanders Dinner House, where he served his original chicken recipe. Despite the challenges, Colonel Sanders' legacy continued. His story teaches us that no matter how many times you face setbacks, staying persistent and believing in your vision can lead to great success. If you're facing difficulties right now, take inspiration from Colonel Sanders. No matter how tough things get, stay committed to your goals, provide value to others, and never lose sight of your dreams. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember Colonel Sanders. His journey shows us the power of resilience and determination. If you found this story inspiration, please like, share, and subscribe to the Disciplined Mindset for more motivational content. Thank you.